In this video, let's understand how to work with the filter in PowerApps. I have opened my app in edit mode. Let me add a new screen. I have added a new screen. Let me rename this screen to filter demo. So in this screen, I will add a gallery. So I will add a vertical gallery. So before adding the gallery, we need a collection. So in the welcome screen, on button click, I will create a collection. So let me create this collection. If you see the data, so ID, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, salary, region. So we have 20 records here. So I will select all this and create a collection. So I will give sample data and my collection values. So if you see, let me drag this one. These are the values. So at the end, I will navigate to the screen which I created. Screen underscore filter demo. So let me close this one and preview this one. So once I click here, so it will navigate to the filter screen. So in the gallery, I will assign the items as a sample data collection. Let me place it. So if you see, here it is showing some other data. Let me change these. So here I want to see first name and last name. First name. So we know how to concatenate. This item dot last name. And in the subtitle, so let me change this layout first. So I will be selecting the gallery. So let me change the gallery name also. Gallery 32 gallery and filter demo. So here I will change this to title and subtitle. So in the subtitle, so I will change this to dot region and we can show the value. So we know how to interpolation can be used. So here can remove this one. Here we can show the salary. So here also we can write this item dot salary. West so we can, so let me preview this one. So if you see the first name and last name and the region, so we can include the region also and it is showing the salary. Let me append the region text. So before that we can use, I will take this inside this region, the interpolation, so I can show this, can use and or comma. Let me preview this one. So if you see, region is west and salary is this one, so better to use colon operator, region, and after that salary. So it's now fine. Let me apply the filter condition. Let me add a text input. So in the text input, I will change this to text input for the first name, and I will remove this default value, and here I will type first name. So whenever I type the first name here, it will try to filter. So how to apply the filter? So once I saved, so here in the items property, so I need to write filter, and inside the filter we are filtering this collection, and we need to give the logical value. So logical value is here, we need to check for the input field we added. So for example, here we added this one, so this is the name, and here I will add this dot text equal operator and this record. So this record refers to the collection which we are using. So dot, and we need to check with the first name, so close the parenthesis. So if you see, let me save, and if you preview this one, it is not showing anything. So if I type any value, so it is showing one record. So we need to change the filter condition here. How to change? We can use another operator. So for example, we can take this value and we can use the in operator. Let me change this one, dot text in this. So let me preview now. So if I remove the value, it is showing all the value. So if I type J, so whatever the values, first name has a J as a value, so it is showing. So let me remove this value. Now we have a region here. So let me expand region east, west and central. So based on the region I want to filter, then we require a drop down. So I will use drop down. So let me place it. So in the drop down I want to change the values. So this is array, so east, west, and we have another value central. So again we need to select the record filter. So in this filter we need one more condition. So let me close this with the parenthesis. I'm adding one more condition, that with the AND operator, and inside this one I will compare this to this record dot region equal to the drop down. So this drop down, let me change this to region. So in this one I will write this selected dot value. So let me expand this one and format. If you see, this record region equal to the selected value we are comparing. So let me preview this one. So I haven't typed anything in the text field, only it is showing east value. If I change to west, it is showing the west region west. So if I change to central, only showing the central. So if I type anything, so JE something, so it is filtering again with the name. So instead of using this drop down, we can use the combo box. So let me remove this drop down. So if you see, it is showing error here. So I will remove this drop down value. Otherwise, let me add a combo box here. Combo box, and place it in. For this items, I will assign same thing as we assigned for the drop down. East, west, and central. Now let me change this to region again. So inside the filter, so let me expand this one. So here we need to use combo box. Combo box region, we use the selected value, so we need to use selected items. So now it is showing all the records, because combo box will help us to select multiple value. So filter is the sample data collection or any data source we can use. After that we can use the logical condition. So this is all about the filter. Thank you.